Hey everybody, welcome to our last video in the video series, Stock Market for Beginners. And this one is, what is the difference between data and information? With everything that we've talked about for the purposes of just getting into the market, understanding what a stock is, how it works, and the different ways of trading a stock, and all of those different things. Now you need a tool to put all of that into one tightly packaged, usable tool. And that's what you need. And VectorVest, here at VectorVest, we offer a tool to help you to do exactly that. Now, even though you've gone through this series, and you may or may not have the VectorVest software, do you have to have it? The answer to that is no. Will it help you? The answer to that is yes. So only you can make that decision. But I'm going to try to talk to you about the difference between the data that's out there, because everybody's got access to data, and information. So let's start off this way. You can go to a news site, you can Google, you can get a lot of different ways of going into data. Well, the stock hit earnings today, or the stock is getting hit because of this. And we always get encumbered in all of that data. And a lot of times we react to that data. Now, the difference between data just points. This, and information is taking that data that is the here and now and moving it over into information, good, solid information. And from good, solid information, you can plan your trades and trade your plan. Your trading plan is the most important thing, and you won't be buried under a whole bunch of data if you've got a solid trading plan. What does your trading plan consist of? Well, we talked about that. It looks at when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. So on the what to buy, no matter how much data is coming out, you've got useful information on what you're looking for in a stock to buy. So if a stock says, oh man, it's the next best thing to sliced bread, you need to go buy it. But you go look at this stock and analyze the stock with whatever tool you have, and the data or the information doesn't match up to how you invest in the stock market, then you know that that's not the stock for you. And that data now doesn't transform into useful information, or maybe it does, and the information says that's not a stock that you want to buy. That's why having a trading plan is so important, and you need to stick to it. No matter if you're a more aggressive trader, a swing trader, or a longer-term investor, stick to your trading plan, folks. That is the way to make money in the market. In case no one told you that, that is the secret. Everybody trades differently. Use whatever tool you have in your tool belt to help you make the best with your money. All right, so we talk about the tools. We talk about the tools for useful information, not just data. You get a lot of data about financials, what this company's earnings are, what their debt to equity, what their book to, all that stuff. Well, we've got indicators that help you decipher through that data, and we give you the useful information within the VectorVest software. So again, not everybody out there has the VectorVest system, so we do offer it at a low price here on YouTube, www.vectorvest.com/YT for YouTube. 99 cents gets you 30 days to access this tool, all right? There's a lot of other softwares out there. There's a lot of other places where you can get tools, and you can spend a lot of money for these tools. VectorVest, we're very competitively priced for what we give. So the cool thing about looking at the VectorVest system on our homepage, this is the entree into the system. It's like your newspaper into the market. And our color guard, you can see at any given time, whether you're looking at this video now or in the future, depending on what you see in this color guard will help you determine whether or not it's the right time to be in the market. There's a lot of red in this color guard. When you get to a red light, what do? You stop. In this case, this is a time to stop buying stocks. We give you guidance every day from a tool or from an information perspective. This is important. VectorVest, as of today, does not advocate buying any stocks at this time. And as the times change, the guidance will change right along. If you're intraday, we can see how many stocks are going up compared to going down today. Again, information. We can look at what's going on in the market. Well, the market's down today. Not a good time to buy stocks. The guidance is right along with what's going on in the market. All right, so from a market timing perspective, does your tool that you have time to market? Think about that. If it doesn't, then you need to find some semblance of market timing to keep you on the right side of the market at all times. So in your when to buy, I'm looking right now, it's not the right time to buy. Your what to buy. Let's go to the Viewers tab. In the Viewers tab, we go to the Stock Viewer, where we track over 9,000 stocks. This is a great way to start to find your what to buy. These are the top 10 stocks in the database by our master indicator, VST, which stands for Value, Safety, and Timing. These stocks right here have the best combination of value, safety, and timing. So now, that's part of your what to buy. But let's say you have your own individual stock and you want a tool that gives you the information on if it's the right time to buy it or not. Let's go search for it. Let's go search for Apple. We type in the symbol. It'll go through the 9,147 stocks and bring that stock right to the forefront for you. Now, the first thing you want to know is if your stock is under or overvalued. We assign a value for every stock in our database. Remember, this is information. This is what we feel the stock is worth. Currently, the stock's price is at 164. The value is at 133. The stock is overvalued. It doesn't make it a bad stock. Now, the mantra at VectorVest is to be in safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price in a rising market. Folks, you can't go wrong if you do that. Looking for safe, undervalued stocks rising in price in a rising market. Well, we already know that the market's not rising right now, so that starts to pull down on your what to buy. So the stock is overvalued, and we have indicators in the VectorVest software that give you useful information, relative value, the stock's upside potential as compared to a AAA corporate bond. Should this outperform the market? Relative safety, it's an indicator of risk, especially if you don't want to be in riskier stocks. Relative safety is ideally suited for you. Fundamentally, Apple is sound right now. Good upside potential with good safety. Next indicator, RT, technical indicator. It tells me if the stock is going up or down in price right now. RT below 1, stocks in a downtrend. Above 1, stocks in an uptrend. Right now, it tells me Apple is leveling out. All right, now we have an indicator called CI. It's the comfort index. This looks at a stock's price growth persistence. Does the stock go up more than it goes down? All of these indicators are cast on a scale between 0 and 2, where above 1 is favorable. Folks, that's useful information. It's not just taking data points and having you decipher through them. The VectorVest software offers you that data into useful information to help you to make the right decision. We look at earnings. Our earnings is forward earnings, 12 months out, to see where stock's earnings should be a year from now. That helps me to know if earnings should be rising or falling. Does a company make money? Here's the earnings growth rate. Do they grow their earnings? Folks, if I'm looking to buy a stock, this is the kind of information that I need. All right. So if you're in the VectorVest system and you want to know more about these indicators, you can always right-click on any stock and go down to View Full Stock Analysis Report. It will bring up information, not data, useful information on the stock, and gives you the red, green, yellow, and walks you through each and every indicator that we have. That's information, not just data. All right, folks, it's been my pleasure to bring this video series to you. Again, if you have somebody who's new to the market and wants to learn more about the market, I invite you to share this video series with them. This is a great gift to help somebody, put somebody on the path to financial freedom, folks. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest. If you've liked this video series, by all means, hit the like button. If you need to go back and look at any of these videos again, please do it. But most of all, share this video with people, with your family, with your friends, to get them on the right path to making money in the market. So folks, until the next time, Thank you for joining me for this series. It's been my pleasure, and hopefully it's been useful to you. This video is over. Until the next time I see you, folks. See ya.